Yeah.
I know I have one of these.
Yeah. Home Depot, bro. There you go. You always want to do the three. You want to do 3 flushes with toilet paper to make sure. That's what always. If you can do 3 big toilet paper flushes after you snake it, you know you're in the clear. Number 1. Oh, I didn't even see that in there. Nice. Next time I'm going to need you to use Fabuloso or
Fabuloso.
or I won't consider it clean, okay? Man, when did they? I don't remember when they remodeled this unit.
Actually, come on, nice though.
This is nice in here.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Huh. All right. Flush number 3. Yeah. I'm not even gonna show flush number, or what, that was number 2. That's good. That's for sure good.